Hi fam, you're welcome to our channel. Today we bring you good news. We now have an ebook, your travel guide to exploring Enugu. This is the ultimate guide to visiting or staying in Enugu State. The holidays are almost here, and when people want to travel for vacations in Nigeria, they search for places to visit in Lagos or top places to visit in Abuja. Beautiful sites are not restricted to just these states. Eastern Nigeria too is blessed. Enugu, being the capital of the East, is definitely one of Nigeria's biggest assets, with lots of attractions ranging from breathtaking hills to scenic nature trails, lakes, rich culture and heritage, forest waterfalls, amongst others. These and more make Enugu City an amazing destination for vacations, holidays, and for adventure seekers. This travel guide is filled with lots of places to visit and explore, both in and out of the city, with their costs, locations, and contacts. It also contains lots of fun things to do in the city, with their cost, location, and contacts. In this travel guide, you would find a comprehensive list of where to eat local delicacies, restaurants, lounges, malls, and even fine dinings with their location. The travel guide also contains a wide range of accommodation options in the city, from resorts to shortlets to various budget hotels, with all their locations and contacts. This 52 pages travel guide is definitely all you need to get your journey started. Guys, the holidays are about to be lit and your journey starts here. This is an ebook that will be downloaded directly to your device. Click the link in the description box or the pinned comment in the comment section to download. Thank you so much, guys. We'll be waiting for your review.